Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. 12 Mirage 2000 jets used in striking Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps were armed with which of the following ammunitions? Spice 2000, AGM 142 Poppy, Crystal Maze MK2, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Yesterday, Indian Air Force bombed Jaish-e-Mohammed's biggest terror training camp in Pakistan's Balakot, and the operation was carried out by 12 Mirage 2000 fighter jets. We have already discussed in brief regarding Mirage 2000 fighter jets. We have acquired these fighter jets from the country France, which were manufactured by the Dassault Aviation. Spice 2000 AGM 142 Poppy, also known as the Crystal Maze MK2, are the precision guided ammunitions from Israel. SPICE stands for Smart, Precise, Impact and Cost Effective. It is a kit which converts a conventional bomb into a smart munition. SPICE 2000, along with the other guided ammunitions manufactured by Rafale of Israel. The 2000 refers to a bomb of 2000 pounds. Who is the current chief of the Intelligence Bureau? Anil Dhasmana, Rajiv Jain, Vijay Gohkale or Ajit Doval? The answer is B. Rajiv Jain is the current chief of the Intelligence Bureau. Anil Dhasmana is the chief of the RAW. Vijay Gokhale is the Foreign Secretary of India and Ajit Doval is the National Security Advisor of India. Now, all these agencies play a major role in current scenarios. Rajiv Jain is the current Director of Intelligence Bureau, holding the position since Jan 1st, 2017, and he is a 1980 batch police officer from the Jharkhand cadre. Anil Kumar Dhasmana is the Chief of the Research and Analysis Wing, which is India's Foreign Intelligence Service. F16 Falcon used by Pakistan Airforce is manufactured by which country? China, United Arab Emirates, USA or Japan? The answer is C, United States of America. The General Dynamics F16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine supersonic multi-role fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics, now called Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force. The current news is that Pak jets reportedly dropped bombs near an Indian Army post in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district, and Indian Air Force shot down one of the Pak F-16 fighter jet that violated Indian airspace. DRDO successfully testified QRSAM missile. What is the full form of QRSAM? Quick Response Surface Air Missile, Quick Reach Surface to Air Missile, Quick Reflexive Surface to Air Missile or Quick Radar Surface to Air Missile? The answer is B, Quick Reach Surface to Air Missile. Defense Research and Development Organization has successfully testified indigenously developed Quick Reach Surface to Air Missile from Integrated Test Range Chandipur of the Odisha Coast. Sampriti 2019 is a joint military exercise between which of the following countries? India, Pakistan, India, Russia, India, Bangladesh or India-Srilanka? The answer is C, India, Bangladesh. India-Bangladesh joint military exercise named as Sampriti 2019 to be held from March 2nd. Now it will be the 8th edition of the exercise, which is hosted alternatively by both the countries, aim to strengthen and broaden the aspects of interoperability and cooperation between the armies of both countries. According to Loom Palace Hurun Global Rich List 2019, who is the richest person in the world? Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mukesh Ambani or Jack Ma? The answer is B, Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos of Amazon, with net worth of $147 billion, retained the top slot for the second time. And Mukesh Ambani is the first Indian in top 10 rich list. He is currently at 8th position. And he's the first Indian to achieve this position, as also the only Asian in this year's list. Declaring how many years IT returns is a must for the poll candidates. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years or 5 years. The answer is D, 5 years. Now from now onwards, the candidates, while filing their nomination papers, they need to provide the income tax returns for the last 5 years also. The central government issued a notification making it mandatory for the candidates to declare total income as shown in their income tax returns for the last 5 years as recommended by the Election Commission of India. So from now on, the candidates need to provide their permanent account number also. Which Sri Lankan cricketer has been banned for 2 years by the International Cricket Council? Lasith Malinga, Kumar Sangakkara, Sanath Jayasuriya or Thisara Perera? The answer is C, Sanath Jayasuriya. Sri Lankan cricket legend Sanath Jayasuriya has been banned from all cricket for 2 years. He admits that he had breached 2 ICC anti-corruption code. That means failure or refusal without compelling justification to cooperate with any investigation carried out by the anti-corruption unit or obstructing, delaying any investigation that may be carried out by the anti-corruption code. It is very important for the cricketers to cooperate with the investigating teams, and he admits and pleaded guilty and accepts the punishment. Let's see the question for the day. National Science Day is celebrated every year on Feb 24th, Feb 25th, Feb 26th or Feb 28th. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who is the first Indian to receive Oscar Award? A.R. Rahman, Banu Athaya, Satyajit Ray or Guneet Monga? The answer is B. Banu Athaya is rightly answered by Ashok Nayak Banut and Malesh Miyakala. Indravardhan Solanki says as option A.R. Rahman. If the question is who is the only Indian who has won more than one Academy Award or Oscar Award, then the answer would be A.R. Rahman. Banu Athaya won the Academy Award for the Best Costume Design for her work in 1982 film Gandhi. Quote for the day: one important key to success is self-confidence. An important key to self-confidence is preparation. So one attains self-confidence by their best preparation. Proper preparation prevents poor performance, so always try to prepare effectively. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.